Hello everybody, in this video we are mastering the art of compositing and beautiful modular kitchen. I will show you how to transform a raw render into industry standard visualization by refining light, depth and materials. Let's elevate your render to a professional level right now. So let's get started. Welcome back. So this is my scene. I have already rendered in LuxCore for visualization this scene for client. This is mesh model. I have model everything and some stuff I have collect from assets browser. This is for camera view and this is render view. And now I'm gonna go compositing. So how you can compose to turn this render into a very good quality standard. It is like a V-Ray. So to beat the V-Ray, I have V-Ray and Corona. The very popular for visualization in architectural visualization, but I am using the LuxCore render. It is like a Maxwell, you can see here. This is compositing only, how you can compose. So if you are using EV or cycles, the compositing, the node compositing are same. So something is different. So you can see here, this take a render time now. Okay, you can see, you can notice. So this is a render view. And everything is good, looks good. So this is my compositing node setting, denoising for depth, albedo and alpha. I have already how to for denoising. This is albedo. This is average normal. Depth albedo. This is for shortcut for denoising, and this is the color balance. Just write down the hex code, the gamma, write down the hex code. This color balance, this node color balance, this hex code is very important. And then hue and saturation. Change the setting and brightness and gamma and this bright box sharpen. I can get this node from this saturation. I want to change this one. If I change saturation 1, then I can get the full color. I have decreased the saturation, so you can notice this color is full color. You can see the pomegranate, the red color pomegranate. Saturation 1. Before this render, I scale it down the saturation for pure photographic effect. Now it looks more saturation. Is very important. Image. Now I want to save this render in my local disk and save into RGB mode instead of RGBA. I don't need the alpha, so RGB is okay. Compression 15%. Okay. This is very important thing. This is the LuxCore. You can see here this is LuxCore. For visualization I'm using, and you can see the light path. And the sample 300 for video, for making a video clear. This is a clear for error log. If you are missing this, if this is missing something, shader the and HDR. I don't need any HDR. 0.000200 for gain. Environmental, you can see here this is my sun. I don't need any HDR. If I add a HDR, then you can see here the tint value. HDR takes a long time, but it looks very good. But I don't need any HDR. Gain, sun, relative size, turbidity for clear sky 2.20, and relative size for it is just to make it clear size 40 to make a soft shadow. Clear. This is my area, and you can set. You can notice the setting of area, which is just outside outside and near the window to come the fake portal light. So, and now I wanna show you the camera setting. You can choose anything from here. This setting you wouldn't find in cycles and EV. Depth of field, this is my depth of field focus. So this is how you can set this render. This is my focus for depth of field or for make it depth of field. If you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe and hit on bell button to get on early new release video. Thanks for watching. Save Planet. See you again in the next video.
Thank you for watching. To get more videos, kindly go to my channel and check it out. Gracias por ver. Para obtener más videos, por favor via a mi canal y comprabelo.